Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy popsicles step by step. Begin by collecting all ingredients and tools so you can work smoothly without interruptions. Prepare fruit by washing, chopping, and measuring, then set aside yogurt and sweetener. Keep molds and sticks ready to fill, and pre-chill the blender cup for a colder mix that freezes faster and yields firmer popsicles. Measure ingredients precisely to keep flavor consistent across batches and avoid watery popsicles. Use about 2 cups fruit to 1 cup yogurt for balanced texture and taste. Taste the blend before freezing, adjusting sweetness 1 teaspoon at a time until it tastes right. Consider adding a squeeze of citrus to brighten flavors and a pinch of salt to enhance natural sweetness without extra sugar. Quick pause: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more practical kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is a surprisingly fun read about money that pairs well with budget-friendly popsicle making and sensible grocery choices. It taught me to think long-term about spending and saving while I pick ingredients. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by pulsing fruit gently to preserve small chunks or seeds for texture rather than pureeing to oblivion. Use a funnel or measuring cup to fill molds cleanly and tap molds lightly to remove air bubbles. For layered popsicles, freeze each layer partially before adding the next to keep separation. Label molds with flavor and freeze time so you can rotate batches and enjoy steady homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.